I just had this thought the other night, and I wrote down some notes because I was like, oh, I should do a live video about that, because I wanted to talk about how I've been able to shift my mindset. Well, in so many different ways. I have made a lot of changes in my mindset over the past few years, but it really is like peeling back layers of the onion, because I'm continually being made aware of new ways to shift my mindset in order for me to have more peace and more joy in my own life. So one of the things that was like, I feel like it was a common theme for me for a lot of my adult life, I guess. It really came down to like feeling like I think it's just being influenced by now we're able, with social media and everything, we're able to see more of what other people have. For example, like what their houses look like, and all these beautiful ways of decorating, these beautiful white kitchens, all these new modern updated homes and kitchens was something that I would obsess over. And instead of really getting to a place where I could appreciate and enjoy what I had, I always was looking to, okay, when can I update my kitchen? When can I paint the walls? When can I get new updated modern furniture? And it was something that really made me feel just discontentment, I guess, a lot of the time, because I was always wanting what I didn't have instead of fully embracing all the beauty that I have right now. And I hate to admit that, because I would think, okay, well, there's nothing wrong with having goals. Like, okay, I'm going to work really hard and that's my goal. I want to have like a brand new, updated, modern kitchen. So we actually did update our kitchen 10 years ago, and I was so excited, and I thought, okay, now I can be happy and grateful. But then 10 years later, things get outdated again, and the only reason why they do get outdated is all in our heads. It's all because of what we see other people having, and then comparing it to what we have, and then suddenly our amazing, nice home or kitchen no longer looks updated anymore, because there's always going to be new, better ways of doing things. So this is just a random thing that I started to realize that I've made a shift, because I don't have a white kitchen. I wanted to title this live video the fact that I don't have a white kitchen. And it's been something that I've wanted for a long time, until just recently I've made peace with the fact that I don't have a white kitchen. And why am I obsessing over having a white kitchen? Because in 5 or 10 years, it's going to be outdated again. I'm going to have to redo it again. And that's going to be a lot of expense and waste. Like, think of the things that I will be wasting in an attempt to stay up with the latest and most modern way of keeping up with the Joneses, I guess, keeping up with the latest of what's popular. And new granite, like to get white granite, that's going to be a lot of money. And then what do you do with the granite? You just throw it away? And then like these beautiful brown, like wood cabinets that we have, I wanted to paint over them. And then I'll never have the beautiful brown wood to look at ever again. And it's just like so much waste just to keep up with what everybody has. And now the way that I've been able to overcome that is that I just am practicing seeing it in a different way. Like, I walk into my kitchen, and instead of always thinking in my mind, I wish the cabinets are white, I wish I had white granite, I wish it was all beautiful and modern and more light in here, like always pointing out the things that I want to be different, I just go in there now, and I've made it a daily practice where I go in there and I look at the brown cabinets, I look at the countertops, and I'm actually loving it. And isn't that crazy? Because I can actually love it by making the choice. By making the choice that, you know what, I actually really love the brown cabinets. I love the granite, and I love my kitchen exactly the way it is. And I just wanted to share that because I know that a lot of us have this kitchen envy or home envy, that seeing what everybody else has, and then there's always new things that are coming out, and then no longer does our awesome new house that we got like 5-10 years ago seem nice and awesome anymore. So that's just one thing that I've been able to make a shift on, and I've been able to see a big difference in my overall happiness and well-being, because I now can just look at every part of my home and just be 100% grateful for it exactly the way it is, and it doesn't have to be what we perceive as updated or what's popular, what's trending. So just random thoughts I wanted to share with you guys today, but hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you are embracing and appreciating your home and your kitchen, your car. Everything that you have right now is beautiful and perfect, exactly the way it is. No need to constantly be updating and upgrading.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know